Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Adeel Fazlani, O-level mathematics teacher at the City School, Wilson Campus, Karachi, right? So we are going to begin with the circle theorem, the workshop. The first slide has been shown to you. You tell me the thing which I already have highlighted. Can you name this? Can anyone just name this? What has been highlighted on the screen? Yes.
Circumference.
All right. Anyone else?
Circumference.
Diameter.
Diameter, which has been highlighted with the blue. I'm talking about this.
So arc
Yes.
length.
This is arc length. All right. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, this is actually an arc, right? This is, we can say, arc or arc length, right? And now I have highlighted the another line. Can you name that line?
Diameter.
Diameter.
That's perfect.
Chord.
What about this?
Tangent.
Tangent.
Yes. Okay.
Tangent.
All right. What about this?
Radius.
Okay. This?
A sector. Minor sector.
Can we? What is another name of this shape? This is said to be a sector. Excellent. Who is
Right
this?
angle.
Your name?
Rhino.
Raina. That's correct. Actually, this is said to be a quadrant because why this is said to be a quadrant? This carries a 90 degree, right? And let me point it out here. This carries a 90 degree. That's the reason this is said to be a quadrant and also said to be a sector or minor sector. Got it? Okay. Now, what about this? This is what? Yes.
Sir, it is
Anyone?
highlighting the same thing as before. Okay, now it changed.
No. This one. All right. This line is said to be what?
Chord.
All right. And the chord is being meant. This will be divided into the minor segment and the major segment, right? And the shape which is shaded down below than the chord is said to be a minor segment, right? Okay, and the major segment is the unshaded region. The unshaded region is said to be a major segment. Anyways, you need to understand the line that is a chord. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, this is a triangle. This is simple question. Yes, and you will find this line a radius once again. If you just look into the screen, yes, this is radius. This is also radius. Yes or no? And this is, I told you, this is said to be a chord. Yes or no? This
Yes.
is said to be a.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me that what would be the value of x? How do you find x? Can anyone tell me?
2x plus 62 is equals to 180.
Okay. How are you assuming this is x? Why? What is the reason that you are assuming this as a x? Yes.
Yes.
Because three angles add to 180 in a triangle.
Right, because it's an isosceles triangle.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Because of, if you just look into the isosceles triangle, what is the proper property for the isosceles triangle is the two angles and two sides are equal. So if you just look into this angle, that is x, if this is x, and since this is radius, all right, so this is also radius, and yes, the length of every radius in the circle is always same. Yes or no? If the both
Yes, sir.
radii, yes, if the both radii and the angles been given to you, this is definitely reflection of the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is two sides and two angles equal, right? 100% correct theory, and the reasoning is 100% correct. This is how you'll find. Yes, quickly work out and tell me what would be the value of x. What is the missing angle and what is x? Come on.
Sir, it's 59.
Sorry,
It's 59.
you said it's 59, right? Anyone else? Can anyone just tell me
सर ये इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है
who is asking? Umesh Salid is asking. Umesh Salid, once you said the equilateral triangle, what is the property for the equilateral triangle? Yes, Umesh Salid.
तीनों एंगल सेम होते हैं
So can you see
और इज
62
टू
here?
180 होता है
Yes, now you see, I told you this is chord. I told you this is chord and this is radius. So how this is possible? This radius is equal to chord. This is not possible. For the equilateral triangle, your three sides and your three angles has to be equal. Yes or no? This is known as your
Yes.
equilateral. This is known as your equilateral. Okay. Now, what I'm talking about the value of x. Yes, can anyone tell me the value of x other than the omega?
Sir, 59.
Sir, it's coming 59.
59. Make sure it's coming 59. Everyone is getting 59, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. What is the cross check to find that you have done 100% correct? What is the way to cross check? Come on.
Their sum will be equal
Sir,
to
we are
180.
going. Yes, we are going to all the.
There's some would be definitely when you add, when you sum up all the angles, you will find 180 degree, right? Shall I proceed to the next now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's 59. Excellent. Okay. Now just identify the length and you just tell me what is going on actually. See, first of all, comprehend and understand the length. This is actually, let it be PQ, all right, and this be R, right? This is, let it be O, all right. Now you tell me PQ is said to be what in circle? Come on, quickly. Come on, guys. PQ is said to be what?
Diameter.
Sure.
Okay, and PO is said to be,
Radius.
OR is said to be,
Radius.
OQ is said to be,
Sir, X will be
Radius.
124.
OQ is said to be what?
Radius.
And
Radius.
RQ is said to be,
Chord.
और
excellent. Okay, so these are the terms which you need to understand and you should know on your fingertips what is chord, what is diameter, what is radius, and this is, you know, this is the only game that you need to grab with and apply it and execute in your properties of circle. So your target is to find out the value of x. Yes, can anyone tell me
124.
how do you find, what is the way to find out the value of x, the angle x? Yes. What is the procedure? Come on.
Sir, is the triangle isosceles?
Okay, who is asking for?
Amen.
Uh, if you are saying this is isosceles triangle, so isosceles triangle must contain this side. If just notice this length and this length is equal, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If this
It
length and
is.
this length is equal, so this angle and this angle is also equal. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
your answer, your question was, is this said to be an isosceles triangle? Yes, it is an
जैसे
isosceles
हम we can
triangle.
add them and subtract them from 180
From
and then जो
180.
भी answer आएगा and then you subtract that
उसको
from x and then the answer will be
yeah.
Okay, what?
whatever
Tell,
that is
tell
56.
me what is. Okay, okay. Let it be y. Can you tell me what is the value of what is the angle of y? Come on.
56.
56 and x will be 124.
Okay, if this is 56, so what would be the value of x then?
check from 180 because y and x equals to 180.
All right, because the straight
24.
angle, because angle on a straight line is always what?
180.
180.
180.
Okay, so this is how you know the procedure of finding out x. And according to you, what is the answer of x? Come on.
20.
140.
24. 124.
Okay, it is 124. Okay, give yourself a star somewhere on your writing pad, right? Okay, now, how many different angles you can find? What I'm asking from you, please do not leave your mic unmuted. Do not leave your mic unmuted unnecessarily, please. And what I'm asking from you guys is how many different angles can you find? Yes.
Seven.
Actually, what I'm asking from you is the different angles. Different angles like you can find this radius. See, this is
Sir, 2.
radius, this is radius. So that means B and C are equal. Yes or no? B and
Yes.
C are equal or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Uh, if
Yes,
this is
sir.
radius, this is also radius. So I can say D and 50 both are equal. D and 50 degree are equal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes.
these are the same angles. Okay. All right. This is same. This is same. The both angles are same, and you'll find different angles. Like you'll find this angle different. All right. You'll find this angle different. Got it? Yes, but it depends on in which context you will be asked the question, how many angles can you find? Maybe some of the students can identify, rectify their answer or, think their answer in different ways. But I have already explained to you that why the both angles said to be equal, right? What is the reason behind? And what is the reason behind of D is equals to 50? Because of the one thing that is the both radii are same, right? Okay, now proceeding to the next. Find the angle size of triangle ABC. So actually now I have highlighted all three radius. See, one radius, second radius, and third radius. All are equal. So this is how base angles in an isosceles triangles are equal. Yes or no? Base angles in isosceles triangles are equal. Yes. Both sides are equal, then both angles are equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how, if this is y, this is also y. And angles in a triangle sum to 180 degree as it has been told to you. Now just see, I am actually shortlisting the property and finally you will get the property, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Did you remember then, if you remember that this is the property, the angle in a semicircle, those who already been taught the concept of the properties and those who are new users here, okay, for the first time they're attending the class. This is for their knowledge. We can say the theorem or property, right? So the property or theorem is this: the angle in a semicircle, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle, right? Or we can say right angle in a semicircle. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I only have shown you the proof of the angle in a semicircle. However, you need to just understand the property when the semicircle is there, and you'll find out the right angle and apply the property according to the question. Okay. Now proceeding to the next. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle as it has been explained to you. Now let's have a uh, few examples in front of you. Now, this is 90 degree. Yes, at times this would be given like this way. It's 90 degree, and at times this has been rotated more further like this. Got it? But you need to identify the angle in a right angle in a semicircle. Got it? This is another way. Yes. And this is termed to be a cyclic quadrilateral as well, which will be defined in later slides, right? Okay. Anyways, now find the value of the angle marked x. Come on, quickly. Yes.
90, because like the angle will be 90, and we can add this with 36 and add minus it with 1.
Final answer. Come on. Final answer. Come on, guys. Quickly. Be quick.
74.
Okay.
54.
One is
54.
saying 54, one is saying
54.
It is 54. It is 54.
Yes, sir. 54.
it's
Sir, 90
now
minus 36, 54.
is 54. Whosoever is getting 54 is the right answer. Okay. And the one who has declared the answer 76 was, it was in, I guess that you might have done something wrong in calculation. I know that because of responding in a hurry. At times it happens when you were told by the teacher that you have to reply fast and quick, and this is very much expected from you that you just do a calculation error. It's okay. This is now example number 2 for you. Can you tell me how do you find the value of y? Value of x. Find the value of angle marked by y. Give the reason. It's not y actually. It's,
Sir, we,
it's basically is x, right? It's a typing
can I
error.
tell?
Yes, you tell me.
Sir, we will find the angle inside the triangle on the straight line by minusing 180 from 121, and then we will plus the answer with 90 and minus it by 180 to get x.
Excellent. This is what I guess you are Raina, right?
Yes, sir.
Excellent, Raina. Very well done. Yes, 180 minus 121, as Raina has told, the reason behind that the angle on a straight line is 180 degree. When you will be able to find out the required angle, you'd subtract it from 90 degree, or sum of three angles is 180, the both ways. Now, again, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle, or right angle in a semicircle is fine. And this is how you will find the value of x, that is 31. Got it? Shall I proceed to the next? Yes,
Yes, sir.
class? Okay. Now, very quickly, I'm just giving you a time to do question number 1. Okay. Just write down A part and then answer B part and then answer C, and do quickly. Okay. And you only have 1 minute to do it. Your time starts now. All right, class. How many have done? Yes. I know that I have given you a very less time, and
Sir, for part A, is it 32? Then
okay,
54.
wait,
Yes,
wait,
it
wait,
is.
wait.
Part A is
सर
32.
58 आ रहा है.
According to you, part A, what is the answer of part A? Come on,
32.
32.
32.
32. Come on, guys, just find out A
Mine
part.
also 32.
Are you getting a 32 degree, a common answer, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is there anyone who is getting another answer?
सर मैं 58 आ रहा है.
Salit, you tell me what have you done? Yes, Salit.
सर पता नहीं 180 minus 122.
Okay, 180 minus 122, what is the answer?
58.
Okay, then what is next? What is next step then? Is this the value of A? You think that you have found 58, this is your answer?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Salit. Salit, can't you see this A degree is your required answer? I mean required question. You need to find out the angle A. So how do you find angle A?
Ninety minus 122.
Why 90 minus 122? You just consider this 58 and A, then 90 minus 58, what is the answer? 90 minus 58, what is the answer? Salit?
Yes, sir.
Salit, what I'm asking from you, just see. Can you see this triangle?
Yes.
And if I'm going to name this triangle A, B, and C, you tell me if this is X, all right, and this is, let's say, 40. You tell me what is the value of X. Come on, Salit, quickly. Be quick now.
50.
How have you found? What is the logic behind?
Plus करेंगे फिर उसके बाद 180 से minus कर देंगे.
Okay, you are adding and then subtracting from 180. What I'm asking from you, as and when the 90 degree is there, the shortcut is this, that A plus B is equals to 90. This is the simple formula to find out the angle. It's okay. If your A1, make it, this is A, and make it B. Let's say your A is 40 and your B is X, and the final is 90 degree. You tell me what is the answer then? X is equals to 90 minus 40 is what? Minus 90 minus 40 is 50.
50.
Yes. And this is not required to do in steps, right? This is quite easy. If one angle is 40, what is left in 90? Just tell me what is left in 90 is 50, right? If, for example, let's say this is your triangle. Salit, are you with me right now? Just concentrate here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if this is 60, you tell me what is the value of this? What is
30.
required? What is required to make it 90 is 30. Is it going to be 30? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I hope that you have found, you find the technique, right? Yes or no?
सर ये तो पता था.
पता था तो फिर ये यहाँ पे स्किल कहाँ गई?
पर सिर्फ वो स्ट्रेट लाइन पे बना हुआ था.
this angle was given to find out this angle only, right? Do not get confused. It's okay, no problem at all. But you have to find out the angle A, right? I hope that this works for you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me what is the answer of B part. Come on.
57.
57. Make sure your answer is 57. Everyone is getting 57? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. How have you done 57? Can anyone explain this quickly?
It is 53. It is 53.
Sir, it's
Yes, sir,
53.
it is 53.
Yeah.
It's
53,
53.
yeah.
57 is, someone is saying 57 and I asked from
It
you,
is
to
53.
explain 57.
Yes,
You have
53
changed
है.
the,
सर
Sir,
मेरा
I
आ
did
रहा था
some
बट
mistake
वो
in the
भी
calculation.
कैलकुलेशन
It
प्रॉब्लम
is
थी मैंने कर
57.
दिया.
It is 53.
okay. So the right answer is 53.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can anyone explain me? Can anyone explain me how 53 is getting?
हम लोग जो हैं हम लोग 180 को माइनस करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद 180 को माइनस करेंगे 143 से, ताकि हमारा वो वाला एंगल निकल जाए. उसके बाद जब
तो
हमारा ये
कितना
वाला
है?
एंगल निकल जाएगा तो हम लोग 90 माइनस कर देंगे ताकि बी निकल जाए.
Okay, 180 minus 143. What is the answer?
37.
Okay, if 37 is here, so this has to be 53 then. Yes or no?
Yes, 90 minus 37.
Yes, sir.
अब तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर रहा ना ये एंगल में सलीत? क्या आपको ये एंगल प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है आप? All right. Okay, now you tell me how to do G part. अच्छा, G का E part. Tell me how to do E part. Yes, class.
Sir, we'll minus 74 from 180 and then we divide the answer by 2 to get E.
First of all, tell me what is radius. Mark the radius. जब कभी भी radius given हो, just mark like this so that you understand this is radius. Now, if this is radius, this is also radius, and if this is E, this is also E. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now, if this is radius, okay, and this is X, this is also X. All right. Now, you tell me what is the value of X? According to you, what is the angle of X?
37.
Are you sure? Anyone else? It's going to be 2E plus
37
C.
Yes, sir, X is equal to 37 and E is equals to 53.
E is equal to 53. Make sure all you're getting the common answer. Is there any one of the student who is getting another answer other than these two angles?
No, sir.
Everyone is getting same answer, yes? Okay. All right. So now I think you got the concept to do such type of questions. Can you just do H part? How many have done H part? Who has done H part?
Sir, 30.
Yes, it's 30.
So H will be 32.
Yes, it's 30. Okay. Okay. Anyways, you have done a nice job, class. Now proceeding to the again different angles. Okay. What do you notice about the angle C, B, and E? C, B, and E. What do you notice?
Vertically
Can I-
opposite.
Sir, E will be twice the angle of C and B.
All right. This is the property. This is what you're saying. Excellent. Who was that? I guess you were Umaima, right?
Amen.
Okay. Amen. Amen. All right. Angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference is a property. Excellent. Amen. You have reached upon uh, the actual property which is going to be taught now. See, this is the proof of actually the base angles and the triangles, and we are again moving towards to the property that is, we'll say the angle at the center, the twice the angle at the circumference. You need not to worry about this thing that you won't be asked the proof behind of this. But anyways, this is the abstract. This is the abstract of the property, which is the angle at the center. Why the angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference? This is the reason behind actually. But anyways, angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference will have yes, we will go for the more examples to hold the strong grip in the theorem number 2 or property number 2, that is angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference. See, the angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference, whatever the angle at the circumference boundary is twice at the center of the circle, right? So if the angle is 30, so that would be a central angle is 60. If the circumference one boundary one angle is for example, x is 40, so it's going to be 80. So similarly, can you tell me what would be the answer of central angle? Is 130. Yes. Now, what is the answer of central angle?
200.
200.
It's because this is a property, the angle at the center twice the angle at circumference. Okay, tell me the answer of this. Come on. Yes, class.
120.
120.
120.
Are you sure?
60?
Yes, sir. 120. No, 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 no.
240 by 2.
60 degrees.
No.
X is
Sorry?
equals to 60.
X is equals to 60. Okay, what is the reason behind of 60?
We will minus 360 minus 240. We will get the angle at the center, and then it is 2 times the one at circumference, so we will divide it by 2.
All right. See, angles around a point add to 360. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
And
sir.
360 minus 240 is what? Is it 120?
20.
Once you
Yes.
declared 120, so now you tell me what is the value of x?
60.
30. 60.
The angle
60.
at the center, the twice the angle at circumference is going to be divided by 2, that is 60, right?
60.
Okay. Go for the next question now. How to do this question? Quickly. Come on.
The answer will be 60. 160 for y.
For a y,
Yes,
160.
160.
Are you sure?
One,
100%.
sir, 160 होगा y का.
Yes.
No, this is what I'm
Yes.
asking from you. I'm asking
हाँ
consent.
सर वो हाँ सही.
Yes, sir. We will minus
160
100
होगा.
from 180 because it is on the straight line, and then it will be the y will be the twice of that. So it will be 160.
80 आएगा फिर 80 multiplied by 2.
All right. Okay, hold on. No problem. Angles on a straight line is add up to 180. That's perfect. Okay. Once you have found 80, so now you tell me what would be the y.
160.
160.
Now apply the formula and find out the answer. Apply the property and find out the answer. Got it? Till here it is clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed to
sir.
the next slide?
Yes.
because I'm going, yes, I have to be a bit faster now because now you are through on the track, and we'll move towards to the question number two. And yes, I'm not going to do all questions related to the property. All right. And let me do, okay, which part you want me to do? I mean, you want me to work on? This on your choice. Come on. Come on, guys.
Sir H.
All right. Okay. Yes. I'm just going to give you 1 minute to think about it, how to do each part. By writing or by thinking, it's up to you. Now, it's
Sir,
your time starts now.
Sir, 40.
Sir 40.
Because
Yes, sir.
angles in the same
40.
segment are equal.
Okay, someone is saying 40. Okay, someone is saying 40, right? I'm just noting down the answer. Anyone else?
सर मेरा भी 40 आ रहा है.
Ramin, your answer is 40 also?
Yes, sir.
All right.
yes, sir. Mine
Miss
also.
Ali's answer. Okay, all right. Raina answer is coming 40.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Anyone else who's getting 40? All right. Now you tell me the reason behind of writing 40. Yes, come on.
So angle
Sir,
in the same
angles and
segment are always equal and 180 minus 140 करेंगे स्ट्रेट लाइन पे तो फिर हमारा आंसर 40 आएगा. उसके बाद वो प्रॉपर्टी लगाएंगे एंगल्स इन द सेम सेगमेंट वाली.
Yes, anyone else? Is there any other way to reach upon 40? Okay, right now I already have given you the ample time, so just understand the concept. Okay, all right. Now look into this 140. Actually, this angle on a straight line, your angle on a straight line is always what? Come on, tell me.
180.
180.
Is nothing. 180. So your 180 minus 140 is this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the answer of this?
40.
40.
Okay. If this is 40, so angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference. You tell me what is the answer of this? According to this 40, what is the answer of this angle?
80.
80.
80.
If this is okay, if this is 80, now you tell me what is the answer of this?
40.
40.
40.
Uh,
40.
Now you got it. Because I have not introduced the property which you are talking about, that is angle on the same segments. Yes or no? Yes, I have not
Yes,
introduced
sir.
this workshop. However, it has been taught to you the properties and all the things. And for the new user, for the students for the first time just attending the class and attending the workshop, and those who are just having a first lesson of properties of circle, so they are not familiar with the angles in the same segments, right? So I asked from you, is there any way, other way, but you reached upon the angle in the same segments, that is quite easy and understandable for me. since you are aware with all the properties, many of you and few of you are just taking for the first time class. Anyways, uh, let me proceed to the next. Shall I proceed to the next slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's time to go for the exam. Come on, class. Your time starts now. Is exam question is given to you of question 1 and question 2. Your time starts now. I'm not going to give you more than 3 minutes. You want me to give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes? What do you say? Come on. Okay, let me give you 5 minutes. No problem. All right. I know that you have to comprehend first and you have to understand the question. And since you are in a you required in a practice, your practice is required actually. What I mean to say is, and right now I'm just giving you 5 minutes. Take your time and do it quickly. Or you want me to do? What do you say? Can I do for you?
सर
Yes,
ट्राई
class.
करेंगे, अगर नहीं हुआ तो आपको बोल देंगे.
Okay, just try your level best. Okay, no problem. I hope that you have done question number 1. Just tell me who has done question number 1.
I have
Done.
done.
Okay, what is the answer of question number 1?
64.
All right, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. And first of all, it's again, you told, I already have taught you the concept once. Right angle in a semicircle is simply is a plus b is equals to 90, or a plus b plus c is equals to 180. Both ways are correct. It's correct answer 64. Okay, proceed to question number 2. Come on. Those whose answer is coming 100% correct, give yourself a small star. Come on. In question number 1. Proceed to question number 2.
Sir, the answer is 70.
All right, the answer is 70 according to Umaima. Angles around a point add up to 360 is again 220, and you are asked to find out BAD. Actually,
110.
BAD is, see, this is your BAD. This angle is actually, you, all right? Now,
It will be 110.
so now the angle is
Yeah,
center is
110 है sir.
yes, this is 110. All right. Earlier it was, you were hurry in answering the question. Maybe that's the reason you have done a calculation error. Anyways, you got the concept of question 1 and 2. Yes, class. Shall I proceed to the next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's time to do question 3 and 4 quickly. Come on.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Done,
Question number
sir.
3. All right. What is the answer of question number 3 according to you?
117.
116.
Yes, sir, 116.
First
116.
of all, you need to
Sir,
target the
116.
okay, all right. Okay, to target the triangle, that is base angles in an isosceles triangles are equal. Now, if this is 26 and this is 26, why? Look into the arms of BO and OC. Observe BO and OC are radii. Yes or no? If BO and OC are the radii, such triangle is reflection of isosceles triangle. Now, to find out the angle in a triangle add up to 180, you'll find 128. Now again, you just find out the round up. The round is 360 and you required is 232. So the half of 232 is 116. Yes. How many have followed all the techniques which I have shown to you? Reason 1, 2,
Me.
3, and 4 step wise. Give
I did.
yourself a shining star. All right. And end of the workshop of properties of circle, you'll find out a bundles of stars. All right. A dozens of stars, inshallah. Right. Got it? Okay. So question number 4. Yes, come on. Question number 4. What is the answer of question 4?
60.
Anyone else? What is the procedure to find out question number 4? Reason 1, reason 2. See, can anyone just explain in this such way that I have explained in question number 3, reason 1, giving you the reasons, appropriate reasons behind, right? So tell me, how do you do question 4? Yes, come on. First of all, target the triangle, right? Once the angle in a semicircle is a right angle, okay? Now the next thing that you need to target is the straight line on 180, okay? This is what you are just identifying, okay? Now, if 30 degree is, ACD, angle C is 30 degree and your angle C with B and E is 60. Got it? Now, definitely you just find out the value of X, okay? You just find out the value of X. Where is value of X?
60.
Work out the size. Yes, it is
सर
60,
क्या
right?
कर रहा है 120 minus 180
Sir, we could have just done 180 minus 120.
See,
सर हम लोग ये
actually,
कर सकते थे 180 minus 120
see, you have done angle on a straight line once again. This angle is given 30 degree, okay? And this angle is given, this angle is given 90. Got it? And this angle was unknown. So you just subtract from 180 simply. It's quite
Yes,
easy
sir.
for you to get answer. All right. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
अगर
sir.
सर हम लोग 180 से माइनस करेंगे तो रीजन क्या होगा
Which
बस
thing
X
you're
निकालना.
talking about? Sorry?
सर ये रीजन 2 होगा ना
Angles on a straight line add up to 180. Yes. It's the reason
ओके
too.
सर
All right. Now question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 and 6. Let's see who is going to do fast. If I'm just asking from you to do it fast, it does not mean that you overlook the thing. You have to be very conscious while doing the question, the right calculations. If you are being penalized by short of a time, let's say, or your teacher is asking to answer spontaneously, so you have to be very careful enough to answer your teacher, right? So be very careful in calculations. Come on, let's see who is going to answer me first of question number 5.
Sir, done 5.
Name yourself.
Raina.
Ryan, I'm also noting down the names, right? So who is just responding, who is not responding in the class, right? So right now, according to you, what is the answer of X?
सर 39 हो
Right
सकता
now,
है.
Raina, can you hear me? All right. Anyone else?
Sir, it will
Sir,
What
be
is the answer?
51.
51.
सर
All
51.
right.
Sorry.
Your
Sir,
X answer is
51.
51. All right. Your X answer is
Yes.
51. That's 100% correct. What about Y? Raina has replied over the chat box. That is 18,
So what
right?
I am getting, it is 54.
54. Yes.
Yes,
Raina,
sir.
your answer is wrong, and the right answer is 54. Okay. Raina, try to rectify this mistake. Try to understand that why your answer is 18. Have you done some sort of mistake? Do you realize that which sort of mistake you have done? I think Raina mic is not working, so she might will not speak up. Yes, okay. She understands. She said, okay. Right now you just understand the concept. Actually, it was easy again. The value of x was 51, is 51 actually, because angle in writing, right angle in a semicircle, and again angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree is quite easy for you to understand. And angle on a straight line is 180 degree. Base angles are isosceles triangles, as it has been mentioned on the previous slides that the once you mark the radius, is this is going to be a very easy task for you to find out the required angle. Now proceed to question number 6. What is the answer of question number 6? It's not been asked that to find out the answers. Actually, is talking about the proof behind of show that the triangle OCD is equilateral triangle. OCD is equilateral triangle, and what is the reason behind of OCD? So if you just look into the once again target the triangle where the radius where the radii are same, and when the radii are same, base angles in the isosceles triangles are equal. Yes, this is the reason. Okay. And now second thing is you need to understand the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree. This is already, you know that. Okay. And now the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? Angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference is what? Is actually
164. So we will
mhm,
just minus 104 from 164. So it will be 60.
60. Excellent. Excellent. So this is quite, easy, and it was not that much technical, but yes, it requires your basic concepts, to be 100% clear, right? But you are just gripping on one thing, that isosceles triangle, radii, base angles, angles on the same, sorry, angles at the center, twice angle at the circumference, right? So right now we ended with the part one of my workshop, and let me proceed with the part two. You do one thing. Let me execute the slide of part two, right? Can you see the screen? Yes, class?
No, sir.
You can't see the screen. Uh, all right. Just hold on. All right. Got it. Now I want you to familiar with the property that is of the same segments, and we'll start, and we have to be very quick this time now. So beginning with the part two, again, just hold on. Let me see. Can you see the screen? Just hold
No,
on.
sir.
Stop. Can you see the screen? It has been
Yes.
shown?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Okay. Now find the missing angle. Come on. How do you find the missing angle? Come on. Now it's your time and do it fast. It is quite easy. See, the radii are equal, and it is I know that you'll be able to find out 42, and once 42 and 42 is going to be 84. Yes. Once you have found the central angle, and it's nothing but the half of central angle is 48. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. How to find this angle? Come on. Try to track the radius. Try to track the radius. This is the only, a technique which helps you to get the answer. Now, now this is very easy.
41.
Okay, 41. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, track this. Go on. I told you, try to track the radius once again. And now you tell me it's easy. Come on, I will reveal the answer then. Can I reveal the answer?
Sir, it's 162.
It's 162. Excellent. Great job done. Come on. Now, yes. What is the answer?
130.
130.
Excellent. See the expertise. Now you are now in an expert level. Gradually you are moving and you are answering with no time. In a seconds you are calculating. This is what the accuracy level is, and this is very much prerequisite for your upcoming examinations. Right now, find the size of ACD. ACD. Come on.
Sir, it's 50.
50.
50.
It's actually 50. All right. Okay, show that the angle x and y are always equal. And this again, the angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference. Similarly, you will find out this is going to be 2y. So I can write it down. 2x is equals to 2y. I'm going to be divided by the same thing. Now see, you need to understand the angles in the same segments are equal. Angles in the same segments are equal. Now you see which segment they are talking about. Actually, let's say this is the same. Let me draw a circle for you to make you more clear. If you just find out, can you see on the screen which I'm just drawing right now for you? Let's say this is circle.
Yes, sir.
If I'm to draw it like this, okay, and making another angle like this, making a third one angle like this. All right, just hold on. Just wait. Where is it's actually let me draw another angle like this. Okay, now you see this angle. If this is x, this is y, and this is z. All right. Now, if one of the angle is giving you, for example, if your z is equals to 45, let's say if your z is equals to 45, you tell me what is the value of what is the angle of x and y?
So
45.
45.
Because angle in the same segment, because you are right now focusing on angle on the same segment. Same segment is this. This is your segment. All right. Now, at times you will find out the chord. At times you find out the chord which helps you to track the same segments. At times the chord is not there, but the segment is there. So is all triangles are making all triangles are made from the single segment. You got it? You see, observe this triangle, this y1 triangle and x1 triangle, all are in the same segments. That's the reason it's said x is 45 and y is 45. I hope that your property is quite clear because we'll be moving towards to the next scenario of such type of questions. You will find the same angle in the same segments. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
proceed to
Yes,
shall I
sir.
proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the simple questions which again I'm going to ask from you. Yes. And you have to answer me fast. Without working, it's okay. Okay, if you do this working, go ahead, but reply me fast. This time I'm just expecting from you your expert level now. Okay, Raina has
52.
answered.
52.
Yes, Raina has answered
54 or
first.
52.
52 is the answer. Excellent. So x is equals to 52. All right. Now get ready for the next question. Get your writing pads ready. Here we go. Time starts now. Let's see who is going to answer me first. Come on, come on. Quickly. Be quick.
29.
All right. Your base angles and isosceles triangle once again, and the angle in the triangle is 180 degree. When you subtract 94 from it, and you will find out divide by the yes. It's actually 29. All right. Got it? Any problem in this question? Yes, class? All right.
No, sir.
Now, tell me quickly answer of A part. Come on. Who is going to tell me first? What is the answer of A part?
53.
53.
53.
Miss Salit is first. Miss Salit is first this time. Okay. Can you answer question of G part? Come on. Let me see who is going to answer me first now. G part. What is the answer of G part? Come on.
26.
53.
It's 26. Excellent. Ramin. Was it Ramin first?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ramin. Excellent. Okay, now H part. Come on. Go ahead. Quickly. Be quick.
$38.
All right. Let me. All right. 100% correct. It's 38. Okay, excellent. Now, missing angle. Be quick. Let me see who is going to answer me first. Okay, Raina is asking for explanation of H part. Yes, Ramin, you have found the answer correct, 38.
Yes, sir.
Ramin, quickly, I want your explanation, please.
Okay, so first we will subtract 180, both 74 from 180, and then we will add 36 and that angle that we found, and then we will subtract it from 180 again to find H.
Excellent, excellent. Well done, Ramin. Superb. Okay, now find the missing angle. Come on, quickly. Those who have not participated till now, I would appreciate if they are going to say something, if they can speak up something, that would be appreciable for me, right? Come on. Exceptionally, if their mic is not working, they can write it down over the chat box. The way Raina is replying and responding, really appreciable. Find the missing angle. Come on, quickly.
Sir, is it 139?
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
81.
all right.
98 आ रहा है मेरा तो.
It's
98 आ रहा है.
98. It's
मेरा
98.
मेरा 81 है.
98.
Okay, why is it so? Can you tell me, those who are getting 98, can you tell
Hello?
me, explain it?
Sir, we
Hello?
Those
will
are getting,
multiply 82 by 2, and whatever answer we will get, we'll subtract it by 360, and whatever answer we get, we divide it by 2 to get 3.
can you repeat once again?
Sir, we'll multiply 82 by 2 to get the twice the angle, and then we divide that angle by, subtract that angle by 360, and the answer will be divided by 2 to get 3.
Excellent. Is this Umema? Eman?
Amen.
Yes, Eman. Eman, we are doing really good job. Actually,
Thank you,
angle at
sir.
the center, twice the angle at the circumference, right? I have not introduced the cyclic quadrilateral property, Raina, because see, yes, since you are familiar with the cyclic property, it's you know what I'm asking from you is that the properties that you have been taught since beginning of this workshop is the first property, that is, what was the first property? Can you revise the properties? What was the first property?
Sir, angle in the same segment था. मतलब जो आपने
No,
लिखवाया था.
angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference, angle in the same segment we have learned, right? And right now this is again we are approaching to the x, and with the help of the property, angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference. Once you find out the angle 82, you already have 82 angle. Now twice of 82 is what?
164.
154.
If it is 164, so what is the round of central angle? What is the round of central angle?
196.
196.
Round is 360. So your 360 minus 164 is what?
196.
If your 196 is this, if your this angle is, if your this angle is 196, all right? So again, this is what? Angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference. So this is going to be divided by 2. What is the final answer? 196 divided by 2.
98.
That's the reason it's 98. Now you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is again the reasoning. I'm asking a reasoning show that the angle A and C always sum to 180 degree. What is the reason behind of A and angle C? Right, the angle at the center of the circle is twice angle at the circumference once again, and you can mention like x and then that is 2x. Similarly, y and 2y around a point that is 360, that is 2x plus 2y is 360. You will find out divide by 2, that is 180. Now I'm going to introduce the next property, that is cyclic quadrilateral. The cyclic quadrilateral is sum up to 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Or-
sir.
So you need to remember the property that is cyclic quadrilateral. Now cyclic quadrilateral plays a very important role. Opposite angles are equals to 180 degree. You need see this is the reasoning only. This is the extra thing, an abstract behind of the cyclic quadrilateral property. However, you need to understand the opposite angles. Like for example, y plus x is equals to what? X plus y is equals to,
180.
and what is the reason? What is the reason behind?
Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180.
Excellent. Now you understand the concept. Okay. Now you need to remember the cyclic quadrilateral because I'll be asking you the concept. Now you tell me what is the answer of x and y? General answer is x plus y is equals to 180. Yes or
180.
no? Got it.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me it's 180. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now tell me the answer of x. Come on. What is the answer of x?
78.
78. 78.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is 78. Perfect. All right. Because you know that opposite angles are 180 because of the cyclic quadrilateral. And tell me, how do you do example number 4? Come on.
Sir, 108.
72.
What is the
Sir,
final
72.
answer of what is the final
Y is
answer of
108.
y is 108? All right. Y is equals to 108. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You got it or not? Do you want explanation of this question or not? Is it okay?
No, sir.
Yes, Umesh Salit, all clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, try to do this question. Question number 2. And I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do G part and H part. Okay, do it like random questions. I'm going to give you the random questions because I know that we are running short of time. Do it D part, D, and do it F part and H part. And in fact, G part as well. All right, do these parts quickly. You got my instructions? What you're supposed to do right now? Can anyone just repeat my instructions quickly? Raina has done D part. That's excellent. All right. Let me reveal D part. D part, Raina, your answer is wrong, but your right answer is 78. Any one of the student has done of F part, I'll reveal the answer definitely. Your D part is, Raina, you try to track your mistake. Find out the mistake. Come on. Raina, find out your error and tell me why this. Okay, D part is Khatija is answering 78. That's okay. Okay, writing. Better
सर
to
F का 76 है.
write down in your chat
F is
box.
76 for me too.
Okay, write down your answer in your chat box. Mention the part and then write down the answer. Panaina is saying 76 of F part. Okay, let me reveal. Okay. Ramin is saying 76, but actually it's 104. Actually, it's 104.
But sir, how?
सर वो 360
Okay.
से माइनस होगा.
All right. All right. Okay. You tell me, class, just understand the concept. First of all, you tell me how to do D part. Let me start with the D part. Can anyone tell me the explanation of D part?
Sir, can I?
Sure, 180 को माइनस करेंगे 102 से.
Sure. Yes, please.
Sir, the triangle is isosceles, so 51 will be, on the other side will also be 51, and we can subtract it by 180 to get the answer. And then we'll subtract the answer by 180 to get D.
Okay, you are getting the answer after subtracting your twice of 51. What is the answer here?
There is 78.
If this is no, this is not 78. What is the answer of this one angle? I mean, if this is, let's say, if this is, make it Z, what is the Z? Okay, what is the angle Z? Excuse me, can you
78.
hear me?
Sir,
Why are you
Z is
taking
also
so
78.
much time? Okay, what I'm asking from you is, see, let me repeat my question. If this is 51 and this is 51, fine. This is going to be your 102. All right. And now I'm asking if let it be, this is Z, right? Okay. Now I'm not talking about directly to D part. I'm talking about this Z. So if this Z
Sir, इसका भी
is
78 ही होगा ना?
78.
G और Z
If this,
भी 78 है.
yeah. If this is 78, this is for Z, correct. This is 78. Now, if this is 78, so what is D?
78.
What is the reason behind?
Subtract from 180 again.
Why from 180?
The angles on the same line equal to 180.
No, is it the same line? This
Yes,
is
sir.
not a straight line. This is not a straight line. No, this is not a straight line. The reason is something else. So that's what I highlighted here. Let me change the color. Now what I'm saying is look into the Z, right? Right now, focus on Z right now. Actually, your Z is 78. Yes, till here it is clear. Your Z is 78, 100% clear. Now, try to track this one length, this one length, and this one length. All three lengths are radii or not? Radius or not?
Yes, sir.
So if this length is angle contains 51, this angle is 51. All right, what this angle is? Tell me, which angle is this? And which angle is this? Both are based on a same radius. Whatever the radius is this, and if the both radius are equal, so both the angles are equals, right? This is going to be a isosceles triangle. So you will find the two isosceles triangles, right? That is the reason you are considering D as a 78, right? You are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No,
actually
sir.
this is who is saying no? Umesh Salit? You're not getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. Umesh Salit, what I'm asking from you is just concentrate here. Just wait. Umesh Salit, just concentrate here on D part. You tell me this side is equal to this side, yes or no?
Yes.
This side is equal to this side because of the radius, yes or no?
Yes.
And what happens in isosceles triangle? See, if I'm going to say, let it be, let me highlight this. See, this triangle, is this, highlighted triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the reason behind?
तीनों एंगल सेम होंगे 180 पे.
Tino angles. You are asking for three
Sorry,
angles.
एंगल सेम होंगे और उसका सम होगा
Two
180.
two angles, na? Write it down. Say it like two angles and two sides are equal. Now the same category you will find out in
Yes.
this. Just look into another one. Both are isosceles triangles. Yes, both are same. Okay, whatever the angle you will find at the center that is beside D is the answer of D as well. Yes or no?
तो सर जो 78 हमने एंगल ढूंढेंगे वो डी भी 78 होगा.
Excellent. This is what I'm saying. Because all are same, na? All see, this is belongs to radius. This is belongs to radius. This is belongs to radius. Now, whatever the angle is angle is this, right? Whatever angle you are talking about is
Okay, sir. Okay.
same here, right? Now you got it? Okay. Tell me the
Yes,
answer of
sir.
F part. Tell me the answer of F part. What is the answer of F part? Will you be, will you be able to find out this one? What is the angle of answer of this angle, which I'm just highlighting right now?
Sir, it is coming 76 for all of us, but it is wrong since you show the answer.
हाँ सर
Okay,
76 आ रहा है.
all right. So now you tell me what is the answer. Just add up to 53 and 51. What is the answer of 53 and 51?
104.
104. Now tell me, if you are going to subtract from 104, 180, what is the answer?
76.
76.
76. Yes, you are getting 76 answer of this one angle, right? Now,
Yes.
according to the cyclic quadrilateral, what is the concept of cyclic quadrilateral? Come on, repeat the concept. What was that?
सर 180 को माइनस करा देंगे 76 से.
Your 76 plus F. Your 76
This
plus F.
80.
Sorry. Is there anyone who's asking question?
Is equals to 180.
Yes. 76 plus F is equals to 180. What is the value of F then?
104. 104.
This is coming 104. Yes.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Rami?
Yes,
Ramin,
sir.
you got the concept of 104?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the concept of G part.
Okay, so first we will subtract 180 from 78. And then we will subtract 57 from the answer. Then it is an isosceles triangle, so which will come 45. So for 45 plus 45, 90, and 90 minus 180 is 90.
Okay, your answer is coming correct. And what about H part? What is the answer of H part?
I think 44.
It is 44. Yes, what is the reason of getting 44? Need explanation. Anyone? Anyone can explain H part quickly. Yes, come
Hello.
on. Yes, H part.
Hello.
Yes, who is this?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can
No,
hear
sir,
you.
मैं नहीं हूँ.
Acha.
Raina.
Sir, okay,
Okay,
so
Raina.
yes,
Sorry, Ume. All right. Okay.
sir,
H.
it is basically
Why?
a cyclic quadrilateral inside the circle, so we can find the angle of beside 102 by that property. So 180 minus 58 will be 122. So by angle property of angle on a straight line, we can find the opposite the angles beside them, the angles in of the angle H of that triangle. So we'll get 78 and 58, and then we'll plus and minus that from 180. So we'll get H is equals to 44.
Yes, absolutely correct. But I want student consents. Yes, students, tell me, guys, that how many you understand H part?
Me, Ramin.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Ramin.
Ma'am.
Can you explain it in your own way? Yes.
Sir, first we will subtract 180 from 102 to get one side, one angle, and then we will, to find the other angle, we will subtract 158 from 180, and then we will subtract 180 from the answer to get the second angle, and then we will add and subtract by 180 to get 44.
All right. Okay. Fine. All right. Anyone else?
सर आप समझा दें.
Yes, Umesh Salid, why not? But listen to me carefully. This is all okay. That actually you need to understand that cyclic quadrilateral. What is the concept of cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but this. If this is 58, all right. So what is the angle? Come on, what is the angle here? can you subtract 180 minus 58 quickly? What is the answer? 180 minus 58. What is the
122.
answer? 1. Is it coming 122?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you quickly find out this angle? This angle now. If
Yes, sir.
straight angle, if straight line is 180, if your straight line is 180, so you subtract 180 minus 122. What is the answer?
58.
58. If it is 58, okay, can you just find out this answer as well by subtracting 102 from 180 quickly? But you have to be very fast, right? Come on, you're taking so much time.
78.
So, okay, now you know 78 plus 58 is what? 78 plus 58, come on.
136.
Excuse me. Sorry. 70,
136.
136. Now you see, you need to approach this h, right? So subtract 180, 136 from 180 to find out h. What is the answer, Salit?
44.
So this is answer is 44. You got it?
Okay, sir.
All right. Now it's time to perform a task. Now get ready with your writing pads and you have to do question number 1 and 2. All right. All right. Just wait. One and two. This was the question. Exam question number 1 and 2. So I'm giving you 5 minutes to do it. Question 1 and 2. Do it quickly now. Your time starts now.
सर x 121 है.
Yes, sir, 121.
Yes, and y is 242.
All right, what is the answer now?
x का 121
Sir,
है.
y is 242.
Your x is what?
121.
121. And y is?
242.
Excellent. Give yourself a star. What about question number 2?
Sir, मेरा 78 आ रहा है.
Okay. Anyone else? Come on, anyone else, please? All right, let me reveal the answer now. Okay, so answer for this question is 78. Whose answer is 78?
Mine, sir.
Mine is
Excellent. Give yourself a star. I already have mentioned the reasons behind. Is the entire question is self-explanatory, so you require more practice to do to hold a grip in such type of questions. Now, question number 3 and 4. Your time starts now. Quickly. Now, can you see the screen? Question number 3 and 4. Yes, class. What is the answer of question number 3 now? According to you, what is the answer?
Sir, I
You need
can't
to find
solve
out
that.
ABD. Like you were asked to find out the answer of this one, right? So according to you, what is the answer? No
Sir,
one has found
ABD
the answer of
निकालना है ना? आपने तो
GD,
DBC किया हुआ है.
ABD, ABD. All right, okay, good. No, no, not this one. Yes, 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 you're right. Uh, Absolutely right. ABD. This one. This one. Now, is
Sir,
it
is the
right
answer
now?
129?
Yes.
According to you, it's 129. Okay. Let me go for the reason number one. Reason number one is the semicircle in the right angle. Now add up to the 180 degrees similar to this. Now, according to angle in the same segment, which gives you 51, and then 180 minus 51 is nothing but your 129. Honestly speaking, tell me how many you're getting 129 before me.
I did.
You did before me, right, Eman?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct. Eman, this is what I want from you and your perfection. Now you are in an expert level, mashallah, and keep it up. Now, anyone who is having problem in understanding question number three? All clear? All clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number four. Question number four. How to do question number four?
सर इसका
What?
67 आ रहा है. अब पता नहीं.
हाँ, ठीक, it's okay. Whatever the answer you are getting, you just check your understanding and let me reveal the answer. First of all, again, angles in a triangle add up to the 180 degree. That is, your 61 is a central one angle. That is BOC basically, right? Now, once again, angles in a same segment. Angles in a same segment, and your target to find out ADC, right? Now, this is your targeted angle. It's going to be a 67. Was it your answer, Miss Salit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent, Miss Salit. And those who has done, who already have done 100% correct. Okay. So now do question number 5 and 6 quickly. All right, class. What is the answer of A part? Question number 5. OAD. It is OAD means you need to find out this one angle, right? OAD. Got it?
So 36.
It is now the angle at the center twice angle at the circumference. And since it's the radii and the base angles, isosceles triangle is going to be 31. Correct answer. What about B? It's going to be a BCD. B, C, and D. This is quite easy. Come on, what is the answer? B, C, D.
30
Sir,
से
120.
36. अच्छा
It is actually opposite angle cyclic quadrilateral and it's 120, 100% correct. Okay, proceed to question number 6. Yes, come on. Question number 6 is you need to find out U, P, and Q. U, P, and Q. This angle you need to find, right? This one angle you need to find out. How do you find this angle? Come on. Since TSU is given 29. Got it? So tell me, how do you find this P angle? Yes, come on. Can I reveal the answer? Or you're taking time?
Sir, 61.
Is first of all, you need to target the angle on the same segment to find out the approach of 29 degree. And then next is the alternate angles. Alternate angles is nothing but the Z, all right, is 29. Once again, parallel lines and base angles are isosceles triangle, base angles. If you just look into the 29, the alternate angle, and since it's parallel to each other, and now this is 29, and angles in a triangle add up to 180, that is 122. Now target the angle that is cyclic quadrilateral. This is going to be your cyclic quadrilateral, and once it has been cyclic quadrilateral.
सर
Yes.
सर आपको पता है मैंने बिल्कुल भी ऐसे नहीं करा मैंने बताऊं क्या करा 180 माइनस 29 कर दिया साइक्लिक कोऑर्डिनेटर की वजह से और फिर क्या करा कि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल बना दिया उसके बाद मतलब 90 को माइनस कर दिया 126 से 36 पता नहीं सर
No, what
गलत
answer
है
you are getting? What answer you are getting?
सर 180 को माइनस करेंगे 29 से 151 आएगा उसके बाद 150 को 1 को माइनस कर देंगे 90 से 61 आ रहा है आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल की वजह से
So your answer is coming what?
61
So the actual answer is 64. It's not 61. Your approach is actually you're just doing a mistake actually in your approach, right? Try
सर
to
नहीं
locate
साइक्लिक कोऑर्डिनेटर की वजह से हम लोग 180 माइनस 29 नहीं कर सकते
cyclic quadrilateral. You are applying in one. First of all, you just identify which thing you are just locating this. Where are you locating a cyclic quadrilateral? Tell me with respect to the letters. आप कौन से letters को cyclic quadrilateral
S
कह
और
रही
T
हैं? S or T? You are saying S or T is a cyclic quadrilateral?
Yes sir
How come S or T is cyclic quadrilateral?
सर T नहीं P
S and P. P for
yes
parrot,
sir
right? P for
yes
Pakistan. Okay. See, listen, S, where is S and where is P? Actually, you are, see, I have highlighted the cyclic quadrilateral. This is your this is your quadrilateral. Yes or no? Try to
Yes,
understand
sir.
first. See the reason I'm going to reaching upon the answer. First of all, you target the angle in the same segment. Once you have done with the same segment, that is 29. That is fine. Till here it is clear. I'm going to teach you
Yes.
once again this question, the technique behind of 62. So reason number one is the angle in the same segment, and second thing you can find out the z actually. See the parallel lines. Can you find out the parallel lines?
Yes.
Can you find the parallel lines? Yes, that is the z actually. Now, if one is alternate angles are 29, if this is 29, this is also 29. Till here it is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, target the triangle once again. Target the triangle once again. Once you have targeted the triangle, now the base angle in an isosceles triangles are equal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once the base angles of a triangle, isosceles triangles are equal, so if this is 29, that is also 29. Yes? Till here it is
Yes, sir.
clear? Now moving to angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree. So you know if this is 29, that is 29. So the required Q is what? Is 180 minus 29 and
29,
minus
122.
that is 122. Once you found 122, all right, your now next target is what? To find out the P. That's the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degree. Yes. Now this is your target to find out U, P, and Q. How do you find U, P, and Q? From here, you tell me the steps to find out U, P, and Q. What do you say? How do you find U, P, Q according to you? What is the logic? Yes, come on. Try to use your mind and tell me what is the way to find out P. Anyone from other than Salid, you can anyone can intervene in between, no problem at all. It's an open question.
So Q and T are cyclic quadrilateral.
All right. Q and T are cyclic quadrilateral, so
So we will subtract 122 from 180, and the answer of T will be is equals to P because it is a isosceles triangle.
mm-hmm. All right. See, you're talking about this, right? This T. Got it?
Yes.
And this is 122. If this is 122, so what is the angle of T?
58.
Is it going to be 58? If this is 58, if this is 58, now which angle is this then? How do you do it?
सर 122 आएगा.
Who is saying? Salid.
सर 180 minus 58 हो जाएगा ना?
It's not only 158. No, it's not only.
No, sir. 158 नहीं. 58 minus 180. Sorry, 180 minus 58.
58 plus 58, and the answer will be subtracted by 180.
All right. So what is your final answer then? Your final answer is
64.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Once you declared the triangle, that's the reason I have given you the time to identify the angle. And I told you if this is 58, absolutely correct approach, and the both angles being found very easily. And this was the required angle, that is, for example, is x. Now 58 plus 29 plus 29 and plus this angle is equals to 180. and you are going to subtract with it, and you will find out 64 finally. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is how you do sort of questions, right? Now we
Sir, I
end
have
it
a
with
question.
Thank you,
uh,
sir.
who, who is
Rami.
asking who is asking question?
Sir, Amin. Sir, in
Yes.
question 5, so the
Mhm.
31 is wrong. It should be 36.
How?
Sir, 108 plus 31 plus 31 is not 180, it is 170.
Mm, let me see. It's 62. Is it going to be 62?
Yes, sir. If we are going to subtract 180.
Okay. If we are going to add up, is going to be it's 170. Yes, this has to be corrected.
The
Yes,
answer is
Ram.
36.
Yeah. That's excellent rectification done. Ramin, you have done a splendid job, right? See, this is what
Thank
I
you.
told you. See, this is what I told you. It happens so. Uh, see, when you have a technical reasons, when you have a technical background, you will make a correction even. See, she is the one who has done with the correction, and this is 36. That's correct. And this you only know when you have a skills to cross check the question. If you have a skills to cross check the question, you even rectify the mistakes from the question even, right? Got it? Right? Anyways, you just see you have done correction. See, this is not sum up to the 180. This is not sum up to the 180. That's the reason. Anyways, this is end up with the part two. Now, with short break of 15, what do you say? Just hold on. Let me end up with the part two officially. Uh, just hold on. Okay, class.